Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making some mountains and then giving some greenery. Like this we are doing, and you can see it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a house, and for the detailing of the house we have added windows and doors, then added a chimney at last. Then we have drawn some small trees or plants, then we are adding some small plants on the ground also, and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a house, and then we are adding some details to it like windows, door and a chimney. After that, beside the house we are making a tree or autumn based tree, and then another tree. After that we are making a sun, and our scenery is done. Next we move ahead to our drawing. Here we are making a coconut tree. First we have added some coconut, and then we are drawing the leaves and the branch of the tree, and when it's done we have added a sun, and then it's ready. Thanks for watching.